Welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to play Android games on your Windows 10 PC or laptop using a fantastic program called BlueStacks. The first thing you need to do is head on over to the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. If I scroll down a little bit, you will get a good idea of what sort of games you can play with this program. And straight away, as you can see, you can play Among Us, State of Survival. I know you can play Call of Duty Mobile. There it is there. You can also play Battlegrounds. There are just so many games you can play on this emulator. And it really is one of the best emulators you can install onto your PC or laptop. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and press download BlueStacks, and you then need to go save file. Once the file has finished downloading, we now need to run the setup file, and you now need to go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions if you do, and we can go ahead and click on customize installation and just make sure you're happy where you are going to install BlueStacks. Once you are happy, go ahead and press install now, and BlueStacks will begin to install. Once BlueStacks has finished installing, you will end up with a window that looks like this. You now need to go ahead and press sign in to sign into your Google Play account. You will need this to be able to download and install the Android games. I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account now. Once you have signed into your Google account, you will then be taken to the Google Play Store, where you can download some Android games. But for now, I'm actually going to close down the Google Play Store, and I'm now going to just go through the main homepage screen of BlueStacks with you. I'm just going to go ahead and press next for a second to skip the little tutorial. There we go. This is the main screen of BlueStacks 4. And straight away, as you can see, there's lots of different games on this screen that we can go ahead and just install straight away by hovering over the game and going install. I'm just going to go ahead and press install on this game here. And as you can see, it's now taken me to the Google Play Store, where I can then go ahead and install this game. I'm not actually going to install it at the moment, just because this is a tutorial and it will take a while to download on my internet. But you would then go ahead and press install, and once it's finished installing, you can then launch the game. And also on BlueStacks, there is a My Games section at the top here, where you can then boot up all the games that are installed in your emulator. On the right hand side, on the little burger button here, the 3 lines, we can go onto settings, and you can just make sure all the settings are correct and you're happy with the settings. As you can see, we've got the engine settings here, we got the display settings, you've got lots of different settings. And I will also do a tutorial showing you the best performance settings to run in BlueStacks to get the best out of your games. But that's where you can change settings. We've got lots of other cool little buttons on the right hand side as well. But that is pretty much it with BlueStacks. Like I said at the start, it's a very good Android emulator for Windows. So I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.